अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 10th क्लास के रियल नंबर्स के क्रिएटिव बिट्स के लास्ट पार्ट में आप तमाम को जो है वेलकम। आइए अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 125 1 by log xy base x plus 1 by log xy base y is equal to dash. You can see in the explanation 1 by log xy x, if it comes in the numerator we can write as log x base xy, and same like this 1 by log xy base y, if it comes in the numerator we will write as log y base xy. So on adding these two logarithms we will get as log xy base xy. So as you know, log a base a is equal to 1, so the right answer is B. Question number 126, value of 7 by 80. See in the explanation, 7 by 80, if we divide numerator and denominator by 8 we will get as 0.875 by 10. So by removing 10 the point comes before 0, so it becomes 0.0875. Another method is there, 7 by 80 is multiplied by 125 in the numerator and in the denominator 125, so we will get as 875 by 10,000. So if we convert into point we will write as 0.0875, so the right answer is A. Question number 127, the value of 3 by 4. If 3 by 4 is multiplied by 25 by 25, we will get as 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is nothing but 0.75. So the right answer is D. Question number 128, the value of 0.0025. You can see in the explanation 0.0025 divided by 1 point we have taken as 4 zeros because in the numerator there are, after the point there are 4 places. So in the denominator we are taking as 4 zeros. By removing point we will get as 25 by 10,000. If we divide numerator and denominator with 25, we will get as 1 by 400. So the right answer is C. Question number 129. A plus B is equal to B plus A is called. The property is said to be as commutative property. So the right answer is B. Question number 130. Additive inverse of minus 32 is. So if we add minus 32 with 32 we will get as 0. So the additive inverse of minus 32 is 32. So the right answer is C. Question number 131. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is multiplied with minus 2 by 3. We will get as 1. So minus 2 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 2. So the right answer is A. Question number 132. Root 5 into root 45. If you multiply root 5 with root 45, the factors like this 5 into 5, 3 into 3. So the answer is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So right answer is D. Question number 133. Irrational number between 0 and minus 1. In explanation you can see minus 1 and between 0 minus 0.9 minus 0.8 minus 0.7, like these numbers are there. So the answer is C, minus 0.9. Question number 134. 2 to the power of 2 into 11 to the power of 2 means 2 square into 11 square. 2 square is 4, 11 square is 121. If you multiply 4 with 121, we will get as 484. So the right answer is C. Question number 135. 3 to the power of 4 into 9 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 4 is nothing but 81 and 9 square is 81. If you multiply 81 with 81, we will get as 6561, 6561. So the right answer is C. Question number 136. 27 to the power of 2 by 3. As we know, 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of 3 into power given 2 by 3. By cancelling 3 we will get as 3 square, that is equal to 9. So the right answer is B. Question number 137. Third root of 375. If you factorize 375, we will get as 5 to the power of 3 into 3. So third root of 375 is equal to third root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 3. So here 3 5s are there. So 1 5 comes outside and remain will be third root of 3. So 5 into third root of 3. So the right answer is D. Question number 138. LCM of 208 and 209 is. So the answer is A, 208 into 209. 139. HCF of 1001 and 1002. As you know, both are the consecutive numbers. So the HCF of these numbers is 1. So the right answer is A. Question number 140. The least prime number is 2. So the right answer is B. Question number 141. Find the value of 23 by 99. So in previous questions already we have learnt that 23 by 99 is nothing but 0.2323. means 0.23 bar. So the right answer is A. Question number 142. Find the value of 3 by 99. As we know, 3 by 99 is equal to 03 by 99. So it is nothing but 0.03 bar. So we can write as 0.030303 like this. So the right answer is A. Question number 143. Find the value of 213 by 999. So as we have already learnt, after decimal bar places 1 place and 2 places. This is the case of 3 places. So the answer is 0.213213. So it is nothing but 0.213 bar. So the right answer is B. Question number 144. Find the value of 25 by 375. So if you divide 25 with 375, we will get as 0.066 dash like this, 0.06 bar. So the right answer is D, 0.0666 dash. Question number 145. Find the value of 22 by 25. 25 to make 100, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So 22 into 4 by 25 into 4. So we will get as 88 by 100. So it is equal to 0.88. So the right answer is D. Question number 146. Find the value of 1 by 18. As you see in the explanation, if we divide 1 with 18, we will get as 0.055 dash. So the right answer is A, 0.0555. Question number 147. Find the value of 1.25. You can see in the explanation 1.25 divided by 1.00. We have taken here after 1 point, we have taken 2 zeros because in the numerator there is 2 places in the decimal. So it is 1.25 by 1.00. By removing point, we will get as 125 by 100. Dividing by 25, we will get as 5 by 4. So the right answer is B, 5 by 4. Question number 148. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then a rational number between A and B is, as you know, we can find a rational number in between A and B by taking the average of A and B. So the right answer is A plus B by 2. The right answer is B. Question number 149. 2 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 2 is a dash number. You can see in the explanation, A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So we will get as 2 square minus root 2 square. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we will get a rational number. So the right answer is B, rational number. Question number 150. If x cube is equal to 10, then x is dash number. You can see in the explanation, x cube is 10 means x is equal to 10 to the power of 1 by 3. So x 10 to the power of 1 by 3 is nothing but it is a irrational number. So thank you for watching. This is the last question of this chapter.